Nice? Wow.
Yes, beautiful.
Let's go, let's go.
Are you filming the street or you're filming us?
Us and the street.
We don't have to be there all the time.
Yeah, but
Oh, the dogs are fighting.
sometimes has to be.
The streets is more important.
Handsome, good.
12 November.
Today's the 12th.
Also start today.
Shall we go and see a flow mart?
Now?
Got car, got car.
Or you want to walk outside first?
We can walk here first. How do you like your coffee? How do you like?
Sweet but okay for this kind of weather. What's the temperature now?
7 degrees. Yeah, like there is everything. You want to get a 6-pack string set.
But this one is like you can go back and do your own drawing.
DIY.
Yeah. That will be very nice. Are you sure you know how to do it? Yeah, you're too old for that. You. You better get down now.
I don't even know whether I'm doing it correctly. Wow, look at this.
Well, this must be very beautiful when you're in full bloom.
You like your shopping trip?
Yep.
Huh?
See the teddy bear shopping.
Bought 2 pairs of shoes. Very nice shoe. For a very good price. Then went Asia Market. Bought so many things.
Yep.
And grabbed a lot of interesting things. The Chrysanthemum Mall. I think I can't wait to try that one.
Which one?
The glutinous rice.
Osmostus.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh.
Wow.
It's a chewing ring.
But with chicken. Lassie can't take with chicken.
Yeah. Bunny.
Look at that one over there, huh? Let mouse eh.
Can't even see them.
Look at this one.
Ah.
Interesting, isn't it? Look at the corals. Wow. Oh, look at this particular one. Starburst. This is something we're going to look for. Look at the silver damsel. The fog is upon us. I can't see IKEA, but we're having KFC. Huh? Yay! Ta-da! KFC. Someone's very happy. Look at the chicken. How's the coleslaw?
coleslaw.
But not bad, I like the coleslaw. The coleslaw is nice. It very goes well with the chicken. Faster, take a bite of the chicken. How different is it?
Better than Singapore.
Right.
Nice.
Nothing eh. It's just foggy.
What's the temperature now?
Temperature is 6 degrees.
Same as just now.
7.
No, before we went to KFC it was 6 or so.
Yeah. But you're dressed more like way colder. Eskimo.
Mm.
Huh? Eskimo.
Yeah. Say she like the party. Girl, know you a hottie. Girl, I like that body. Let me see you put it on me. Got that vroom, vroom, vroom. Like
Mummy, your first hike. We're
Dressed
now
wrongly.
dressed wrong. We are 1,000 meters above sea level on Mount Fender. I didn't even call it mountain. It's called Fender. But we are on foot. I think the rest is on top there. I feel it's up there. How many meters? 900 meters.
Where?
As in just now when you saw the GPS.
Yeah.
So we have a 900 meter walk. That's okay. We're now climbing the stairs. And someone's dying.
What's it dying? It's a bit like out of breath, can't you?
But more like, oh. So this is actually noted as a Fender Alps. We can't say Fender Mountain or Mount Fender. It's Fender Alps. Small correction there. I really have to admire the house. Look at the house. The minimalistic houses on the hill of Mount Fender.
Alps, not now.
Alps founder. Founder Alps.
Not founder, Fender. Keep pronouncing it wrongly.
Fender Alps.
The step is quite high, I can't tell.
Yeah. Holy.
I'm at the Great Wall all over again.
Great Wall. This is much better than the Great Wall. Whoa. We have scaled Fender's Alps and the view is breathtaking. Beautiful, beautiful nature. Right? What?
The leaves stick together. I thought I saw a 4-leaf clover. Oh, 3-leaf only.
Now we shall begin our scale down.
Our journey down.
Our journey down Fender Alps. This is just our first beginner level Alps. Then we can start climbing bigger ones.
No,
Huh?
this is my last.
Oh, save me!
Oi!
Oh, you can see the guy dying. The guy is like climbing the mountain and dying already.
Slow down!
I'm doing the max speed available at 40 and you feel like it's like so fast. Wow, it's so fun! Oh my god, the view. Hi guys, so that's the end for today's video. I will just leave you guys with this quote. Every mountain is within reach if you just keep climbing, by Barry Finlay. Just like the video, we were climbing up Fender Alps and then we have a lot of hiccups, but nonetheless we still managed to reach the top and catch the spectacular view, especially with the drone. It was amazing. So yeah, that was only a snippet of what's to come, and I can't wait to bring you along and continue to show you more things along the way, and I shall see you in the next video.